Welcome to this guide on how to make your Snapchat text bigger. Let's dive into the exciting features of Snapchat's text options. Have you ever sent a snap and wished your text stood out more? Whether for fun, clarity, or emphasis, bigger text can make a big difference. Let's go over the simple steps to increase your text size on Snapchat. Follow along. First, open the text tool. Here, you can access various fonts and sizes. Explore which styles fit your message best. To adjust the text size, simply use a pinch gesture. It's as easy as that. Pinch to make your text bigger or smaller. Don't forget to explore different fonts and styles. They can add emphasis and flair to your snaps. After enhancing your text, it's time to save and send your snap. Hit that send button and show off your creation. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. We've listed some common concerns and tips to troubleshoot. To wrap things up, don't hesitate to experiment with different text sizes and styles. Make your snaps truly yours. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own Snapchat tips below.